is Christine from Chris by Bike. Yes, I'm back because a couple months ago I made a video about my new dream bike, a new Brompton, a T Line that had a new titanium triangle that accommodates 4 gears and it's much lighter. It's like 2 kilos lighter. Guess what? Yes, Brompton did it again. Brompton has a brand new T Line. And you're probably wondering, how come they got even 2 more kilos out? Tell you how. First of all, let me tell you how they took the first 2 kilos out. We have our Bromptons, made of steel. And there are some Bromptons that have the fork and the triangle in titanium. And there is a Brompton frame made of titanium, just like ours. But for the T Line, they designed a new triangle. Yes, it's so interesting because they took the stop, the little rubber thing that when the seat posts go down and on the bottom, it stops the Brompton to open it. Yes, instead of putting the bottom, they put it on the top. As soon as you put your seat posts lower than this part, it's fixed. It doesn't open. What does it do? Is that when you push it, it doesn't open and you can push it with the saddle high. That's so cool. I like that. Okay, so the T Line has this new triangle, the rear triangle, which is made of titanium, different suspension block, and there's no hub gear, which is a shame. I love hub gear, but they're right, because the hub gear weighs a lot. So the new system has 4 gears and is a patent weighting system that Brompton designed, and it's quite nice. Okay, so for this, they took like 2 kilos out. How about the rest? Tell you, they did a marvelous. I'm dying to see it. Actually, I'm going in March to New York, so I gotta see it with my own eyes and my fingers. Yeah, we see. Sometimes we had to look with fingers. And I'm gonna show you. After 3 years of long study, they have like a computer model. They did a lot of tests to see the stress, which material needs to be more robust, which material or little piece of Brompton could be, has take some material out, and they made a beautiful new titanium frame. It's beautiful. I love it. And the whole frame is all made of titanium. The stern, it's made of titanium, but they did a carbon fork. Yes, it's beautiful. It's one whole thing made of carbon, which is much lighter. And they also change. Do you know your Ford Brompton and the handlebar drops like this and it fixes on the fork, not on the new T Line. The new T Line, when the handlebar drops like this part here fix on the frame, so it's less stress to the fork. They thought a lot of nice, cool things. They say that this new T Line, you can fold it and unfold it much faster. Do you know why? First reason is that one. It's the stern when you go down, go like that. Another great improvement is the hinge. Yeah. When you open it, it gets stuck, right? And sometimes the plate move, not anymore. For the T Line, the plate has different sizes, and when you turn it, it goes out. So much faster. It's a beauty. Okay, another thing that they did is now we have carbon handlebars. Yes, you can buy the straight one, or it's like a M, and the straight one is a bit larger than the original Brompton. So you know, it's easier to move around. Yes, everything is different. They change more than 150 parts. Yep. Actually, they say that the only thing that's still the same are the brakes. Everything is new, which is so cool because wait. But there's one thing that is the same. The way we fold our Brompton. You know, how small it gets, how easy it is. And now it's so much lighter. Imagine when you pick it up, 7.45 kilos. Yeah, I stop a little bit for you to think about it. It's almost the weight of a road bike. Imagine. They have two models. T Line 1, that's no gears and no mudguards. And the T Line Urban. You have the 4 gears and the mudguards. That's the only difference. The rest is all the same. So it's a beauty. And you're wondering, okay, I have 4 gears. It's gonna be heavy. Nope. 8 kilos. 8 kilos is light. So you probably understand that I have a new dream bike now. Yes, I do. My new dream bike. It's a T Line. Actually, we're almost there. My dream bike is a T Line with a hub of 5 gears. We get there. We're getting there. Brompton T Line has a very interesting thing. Something that I always thought about it, because some people ask me, oh, Chris, you put a titanium seat post. I want to put like a carbon. I said, I don't know. I've seen so many carbon seat posts break, you know, in road bike. But they did something that's brilliant. They made a super light seat post with carbon core and steel around it. 0.3 millimeters of steel around the carbon. So you get something very light and a seat post that will endure the folding and unfolding and ups and downs of our seat post. And also in a carbon saddle with carbon rails. That cool? Yeah, they took a lot of weight. They took weight on the seat post, the saddle, the fork, the stern, the handlebar, and oh, they have a carbon crank. Is that cool? I know, yeah, because I come from a road bike, so those little things are, you know, very familiar to me. And they took a lot of weight, like the 2 first kilos from the triangle, you know, the hub and everything. You're probably asking, who's this bike for? I would say that this bike is perfect for road bikers that want to use the Brompton. It's marvelous because it's light, it's fast, and easy to carry, and you can take anywhere. Even better than our Brompton, because carrying like 12 kilos is one thing, and carrying like 7.5 or 8 kilos, oh, completely different world. And there are 2 more places that they save a lot of weight. First, the pedal. The pedal is not foldable. It's, you take it out. It's detachable. And they're very clever. Yeah, I love clever things. There's a place on front of the frame that's magnetic. So you take the pedal out and put in the frame. And it goes, doof. That's cool. And the other thing is they're using Tubolito. Tubolito, it's a different tube for your bike. It's a lot lighter. It's like 60 grams in each wheel, so that's over 100 grams of weight, you know, that's a lot. And press the valve. An interesting fact, in the bicycle, any bicycle, everything that turns feels lighter. Like if you want to take 100 grams from your saddle, when you're riding, if you take the same 100 grams from your wheel, it feels lighter because it's moving. It's so cool. So neat. So hope you like it. It's just, you know, it's hello, how are you? So you know a little bit more about this new T line. I'm gonna make a video only with the things, the improvements that I thought it was so clever. I love them. And I do hope they go to the other lines. You know, I think with time, all these great improvements are going to the other bicycles. So we're gonna get it. If you did like the video, thumbs up and subscribe. Right after the video will be a page with me in the middle, so you just click it there. And if you want to see more videos about Brompton and bicycle and, you know, traveling, we can travel again. Is that cute? Yeah, I'm going to New York, by the way. I'm gonna see it. Oh, I'm dying to do it. That would be so cool. Wait for next week. Nice improvements. See ya.